Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Lisa, I'm starving. What do you say we order some food tonight? Any cravings?
Oh, Mark, I'm up for some good food. How about pizza? It's like the universal comfort food.
Pizza, a classic choice. What's your favorite topping? I'm all about the pepperoni and extra cheese.
Pepperoni and cheese, the classics. I'm more of a veggie lover. Mushrooms, bell peppers, and lots of olives, please.
Haha, you're turning it into a garden on a pizza. But hey, that sounds delicious. Should we go with a deep dish or thin crust pizza?
Thin crust, Mark, it's like the delicate dance of flavors. Crispy and light, the way to go.
I'm with you on that one. And while we wait for our pizza, how about some appetizers? Garlic bread or maybe some mozzarella sticks?
Mozzarella sticks, definitely. It's like a warm, cheesy hug before the main event. Do you like dipping them in marinara sauce?
Dipping is the best part. It's like the grand finale of flavors. So, Lisa, while we're at it, do you have a favorite dessert?
Dessert, the sweet ending. I can never resist a good chocolate lava cake. What's your go-to sweet treat?
Chocolate lava cake is a winner. I'm a fan of apple pie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's like a cozy hug from Grandma.
Haha, a cozy hug from Grandma in dessert form. I love it. And, Mark, how do you feel about trying something new on the menu?
Trying new things can be exciting. It's like a culinary adventure. What's your most adventurous food experience?
Oh, once I tried sushi with eel, Mark. It was like an underwater symphony of flavors. Have you ventured into sushi territory?
Eel sushi, that's adventurous. I'd had some basic sushi, but nothing as daring as eel. I might give it a try sometime. By the way, do you prefer dining in or getting food delivered?
Dining in has its charm, but sometimes delivery is like a cozy night in with a movie. Convenience wins on busy days.
Convenience is a lifesaver. And what's your strategy for choosing a restaurant? Do you rely on reviews or go with your gut feeling?
Reviews can be helpful, but sometimes it's fun to take a chance, like spinning the food wheel of fortune. How about you?
Haha, the food wheel of fortune. I usually check reviews, but spontaneous choices can lead to delightful surprises. All right, Lisa, let's order the pizza and kickstart our culinary adventure. Part 2. Lisa, our pizza is on the way. While we wait, have you ever had any funny or memorable dining experiences?
Oh, absolutely, Mark. I remember this one time when I accidentally knocked over my water glass. creating a mini indoor waterfall. It was like a scene from a comedy movie.
Haha, a mini indoor waterfall. That sounds hilarious. I once went to a restaurant with a confusing menu, and I ended up ordering something totally unexpected. It was like a food surprise party.
Food surprise party, I love that. Sometimes the mishaps make dining out even more memorable. And, Mark, do you like to experiment with different cuisines?
I do, Lisa. It's like taking a global flavor tour. Mexican, Thai, Indian, each cuisine has its own unique dance of spices. How about you? Any favorite international cuisines?
I'm a fan of Italian, Mark. The pasta, the pizza, the gelato, it's like a culinary vacation to Italy without leaving town. Speaking of which, do you have a favorite Italian dish?
Italy is a food paradise. I can never say no to a good plate of spaghetti carbonara. It's like a symphony of creamy and savory notes. How about you, Lisa?
Carbonara is amazing. I'm a fan of margherita pizza. Simple yet so flavorful, like a work of art. So, Mark, what's your take on sharing food at restaurants?
Sharing can be fun, like a foodie social gathering. It's a great way to try a variety of dishes without overeating. Do you enjoy sharing or prefer your own plate?
Sharing is caring, right? It's like a mini buffet experience. But there are those times when I just want my own plate of goodness. And, Mark, have you ever had any food that brought back childhood memories?
Oh, definitely, Lisa. A good grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup takes me back to my mom's kitchen. Food has a magical way of transporting us. What's your nostalgia-inducing dish?
Grilled cheese and tomato soup, that's heartwarming. For me, it's a warm bowl of chicken noodle soup. It's like a cozy blanket for the soul. All right, Mark, our pizza is here.
Pizza time, Lisa! Let's dig in and savor every bite of this culinary masterpiece. Lisa, that pizza was incredible. Now that we've indulged in our Italian craving, let's talk about dining etiquette. Do you have any pet peeves when it comes to table manners?
Oh, table manners, Mark. It's like a performance, isn't it? Well, I must admit, loud chewing and slurping are my dining kryptonite. How about you?
Haha, I'm with you on that, Lisa. Loud chewing can be quite the showstopper. And when it comes to sharing dishes, how do you handle it when someone double dips their chip?
Double dipping, the ultimate dining dilemma. I usually give a friendly reminder about the one dip per chip rule. Like a gentle nudge in the right direction. How about you, Mark?
That's a polite way to handle it, Lisa. I've done the same, or I discreetly offer them a new chip, like a chip savior. Changing gears a bit, do you have any favorite food-related movies or shows?
Oh, food movies and shows. It's like a feast for the eyes. I adore Chef. The passion for cooking in that film is contagious. How about you? Any culinary cinematic gems?
Chef is fantastic. I'm a fan of Ratatouille. It's like a heartwarming tale of following your dreams, even if you're a rat in a chef's hat. Ha ha.
Haha, a rat in a chef's hat chasing dreams. That sums it up perfectly. And Mark, what's your take on trying street food while traveling? Are you an adventurer or a bit cautious?
I'm an adventurer, Lisa. Street food is like a ticket to the heart of a culture. I love trying local specialties, even if I'm not entirely sure what's in it. How about you? Street food explorer or cautious eater?
Street food explorer all the way, Mark. It's like taking a flavor journey with every bite. And those small, hidden food stalls often have the best kept secrets. Now, speaking of secrets, do you have any secret family recipes you'd like to share?
Haha, secret family recipes, that's a treasure trove. Well, my grandma's apple pie recipe is something I hold dear. But sorry, Lisa, it's top secret.
Haha, top secret apple pie. I respect that. Food traditions are like culinary heirlooms. And, Mark, if you could have dinner with any famous chef, who would it be?
Oh, that's a tough one, Lisa. But I'd love to have dinner with Gordon Ramsay. His passion for food and his no-nonsense attitude would make for an unforgettable dining experience. How about you?
Gordon Ramsay would be a fascinating dining companion. I'd choose Julia Child. Her love for French cuisine and her warm personality would make it a delightful evening.
Julia Child, a true legend. Well, Lisa, our culinary journey for today is coming to an end. It's been a pleasure sharing this foodie adventure with you.
Likewise, Mark. Until our next food-filled conversation, bon appetit!